Have you ever felt mentally exhausted even after doing nothing physically demanding? Do you find your brain running out of energy way too quickly? If so, you're not alone, and today we're going to uncover exactly why this happens, and more importantly, how to fix it. Welcome to the channel. Have you ever wondered why your mental energy runs out so quickly? Or why your mind feels exhausted even when you haven't done much? The truth is, our brain is constantly working, even when we think we're resting. And if we don't manage it well, it drains faster than we expect. But don't worry. Today, we'll dive deep into the reasons behind mental fatigue and, most importantly, how to fix it.
First, let's talk about how the brain consumes energy. Thinking is one of the most energy-intensive activities we do. The more we think, the more fuel our brain burns. And the biggest culprit? Decision-making. Every single choice you make, what to eat, what to wear, whether to reply to that message, each one costs you mental energy. The more decisions you make in a day, the quicker your brain burns out. That's why by the afternoon, you might feel mentally drained, even if you haven't done anything physically exhausting. So how do we stop wasting our mental energy? One way is to minimize unnecessary decisions. Have you noticed that successful people like Steve Jobs or Mark Zuckerberg wore the same type of outfit every day? It wasn't about fashion, it was about saving brain power. By reducing small, repetitive decisions, they preserved their mental energy for important tasks. Planning your meals in advance, setting a daily routine, and automating simple choices can make a massive difference in keeping your mind fresh. But decision fatigue isn't the only thing wearing you out. Another huge factor is constant mental chatter. Your brain is like an open browser with too many tabs running at once. Thinking about the past, worrying about the future, replaying conversations, and overanalyzing everything. This overload of thoughts makes it hard to focus and leaves you feeling mentally drained. The solution? Train your brain to focus on the present. Meditation, mindfulness, or even deep breathing exercises can help you regain control of your thoughts and conserve mental energy. Now let's talk about something surprising, learning. Did you know that using your brain the right way actually strengthens it? Just like muscles grow stronger with exercise, your brain's ability to focus improves when you challenge it with learning. Whether it's playing an instrument, picking up a new language, or practicing an art, engaging your brain in meaningful ways builds its endurance. The more you train it, the more energy it can handle. But timing matters. Everyone has a peak mental energy period during the day. Some people are sharpest in the morning, while others get their best ideas at night. The key is to find your brain's prime time and schedule your most challenging tasks during those hours. Don't waste your peak mental energy on scrolling. Through social media, save it for work, studying, or problem solving. And when your energy naturally dips later in the day, that's the perfect time for relaxation, light tasks, or socializing. Speaking of energy, let's not forget about physical exercise. It might sound unrelated, but movement has a huge impact on mental stamina. When you exercise, your body releases chemicals that boost mood and cognitive function. That's why after a workout, you often feel more focused and clear-headed. Even a short walk can do wonders for refreshing your mind. If you ever feel mentally stuck, get up and move. It's like hitting the reset button on your brain. But what about sleep? If your brain doesn't get proper rest, it never fully recharges. During deep sleep, your brain repairs itself, clears out toxins, and resets for the next day. But if you're not getting enough quality sleep, you wake up with yesterday's mental exhaustion still lingering. Want to improve your sleep? Try keeping your bedroom dark, avoiding screens before bed, and sticking to a consistent sleep schedule. Small changes can make a big difference in how rested and mentally sharp you feel. And of course, we can't ignore the role of nutrition. Your brain is fueled by what you eat, and the wrong foods can leave you sluggish and unfocused. Processed sugars and junk food cause energy crashes, while healthy fats and proteins keep your brain running smoothly. To keep your mental energy high, focus on whole foods, healthy fats like nuts and avocados, and staying hydrated. Drinking enough water alone can help clear brain fog and keep you alert. Lastly, let's talk about emotional energy. Negative thoughts and stress can drain your brain faster than anything else. Ever noticed how after an argument or stressful situation, you feel completely wiped out? That's because mental energy isn't just about thinking. It's also about how we process emotions. The more we dwell on negativity, the more exhausted we become. Practicing gratitude, focusing on what's going well, and surrounding yourself with positive influences can protect your mental energy from unnecessary drains.
So, let's put it all together. To keep your mental energy high, reduce unnecessary decisions, clear your mental clutter, engage in learning, find your peak focus hours, move your body, get quality sleep, eat brain-boosting foods, and protect your emotional well-being. When you start applying these habits, you'll notice a huge improvement in how sharp, focused, and mentally strong you feel every day. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights on how to optimize your brain, energy, and daily life. Stay sharp and see you in the next video.